The chickpeas is a resilient pulse crop, capable of thriving in semi-arid environments with minimal water.
Industrial chickpeas farming requires vast landscapes where humidity is low to ensure the chickpeas dries naturally.
Manual moisture testing is the first step. The chickpeas must reach a moisture level of 13% before the harvest.
Welcome to Harvest Motion. Today, we witness the mechanical recovery of the chickpeas crop in the high desert.
Because chickpeas pods grow very low to the ground, a specialized flexible header is used to follow the soil contours.
Gentle handling is essential. Excessive force can cause the chickpeas pods to shatter and drop the chickpeas seeds. Arid conditions create intense dust during the chickpeas harvest, requiring high-capacity air filtration systems.
Inside the machine, a series of rotors separate the chickpeas from the brittle chickpea straw.
Efficiency. The harvester ensures that every single chickpeas is recovered by reprocessing any unopened pods.
Continuous flow. The chickpeas are transferred on the move to ensure the harvester never stops. In-field quality checks monitor the percentage of split chickpeas or foreign material in the load. Transport. The chickpeas are moved to the processing facility for final cleaning and grading. Processing. The chickpeas journey begins with a series of pre-cleaners to remove dust and stones. Because chickpeas grow near the ground, removing soil and stones is a critical safety step. Density separation. The gravity table uses air and vibration to separate heavy, high-quality chickpeas from light ones.
Precision grading. Any discolored or damaged chickpeas are identified and removed by high-speed air jets. Aesthetics. Polishing removes the thin layer of dust to give the chickpeas a smooth, matte finish.
Value add. Some chickpeas are dehulled and split to create a high-demand ingredient for the food industry.
Diversification. Gluten-free chickpeas flour is a key byproduct of the industrial milling process. Convenience. Chickpeas are soaked and cooked before being sealed into cans for retail.
Sustainability. Only the genetically superior chickpeas are saved for the next planting season.
"45 distinct nodules on this sample, recording moderate efficiency." High protein. Chickpeas are a vital source of plant-based protein for the global population. The flow rate on line 3 just dipped below the threshold.
I see that. The sorting ratio is also fluctuating. We should investigate the moisture sensors.
Macro shot. The unique beaked shape of the chickpeas seed.
Arid land engineering, mechanical recovery, precision sorting. This is chickpeas, desert harvest, global nutrition, industrial excellence. This is harvest motion.